tree of knowledge presents how to gain self-respect. Self-respect is a fundamental component of our well-being. It is the key to our happiness, self-confidence, and success. However, gaining self-respect is a continuous process that requires effort and commitment. Here are some actionable steps that you can take to gain self-respect. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential to gaining self-respect. It is important to define what you are willing and not willing to accept from others. This means saying no to things that do not align with your values and beliefs. Setting boundaries will help you build confidence in your decision-making abilities and show others that you respect yourself. Practice self-care. Self-care is essential to gaining self-respect. Taking care of your physical and emotional needs is crucial to maintaining a healthy self-image. This means prioritizing your mental and physical health, such as getting enough sleep, eating well, exercising, and engaging in activities that make you happy. Focus on personal growth. Gaining self-respect requires continuous growth and self-improvement. This means investing in your personal development and learning new skills. Engage in activities that challenge you and push you out of your comfort zone. This will help you build confidence in your abilities and gain respect for yourself. Surround yourself with positive people. The people we surround ourselves with can significantly impact our self-respect. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Avoid those who bring you down or make you feel inferior. This will help you build a positive self-image and gain respect for yourself. Having self-respect is important for our overall well-being. It is the foundation for healthy relationships and a successful life. However, there are times when our self-respect can falter, especially when we encounter difficult situations or people who challenge our boundaries. It is important to remember that self-respect is not something that we can gain overnight. Instead, it is a continuous process that requires effort and commitment. But by setting boundaries, practicing self-care, focusing on personal growth, and surrounding ourselves with positive people, we can build a healthy self-image and gain the respect that we deserve. It is important to keep in mind that gaining self-respect is not a linear process. There will be times when we may falter or face setbacks. But it is important to persevere and keep working towards our goals. It is also important to be kind and compassionate towards ourselves. We should avoid being too hard on ourselves and practice self-compassion in moments of difficulty. Remember that self-respect is not about being perfect or flawless. It is about accepting ourselves for who we are and treating ourselves with kindness and respect. By taking the necessary steps to gain self-respect, we can cultivate a positive self-image and lead a fulfilling life. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.